Have you ever felt like your emotions are constantly on a roller coaster? Or maybe you find yourself questioning the motives of those around you. Today, I'm diving into something incredibly important: the subtle habits that might indicate you're a victim of narcissistic abuse. Let's get into it. First up, constantly second-guessing others. If you find yourself struggling to take people at their word, always wondering if there's a hidden agenda, this could be a sign. Manipulation leaves deep marks, making trust a rare commodity. Next, hiding emotions in social settings. Do you put on a brave face, even when you're hurting inside? This poker face becomes a defense mechanism, shielding you from further emotional harm. Obsessive cleaning? It might sound strange, but it's a way to regain some control. When your life has been a whirlwind of chaos and criticism, tidying up becomes a small victory. Repeatedly checking locked doors. This habit offers a sense of security. Feeling unsafe is a common aftermath of narcissistic relationships, and this is a way to cope with that anxiety. Then, preferring solitude. Whether it's eating alone or traveling solo, this independence is a newfound freedom after escaping a controlling environment. Struggling to share personal stories? If you hesitate or stutter when talking about your past, it's emotional distress rearing its head. Your story matters, even if it's hard to tell. Over-apologizing. Ever find yourself saying sorry for things that aren't your fault? This reflex comes from being blamed for everything, even when you did nothing wrong. Avoiding eye contact. Constant criticism can make direct eye contact feel like a confrontation. It's a learned defense mechanism. Hyperventilating when proving a point. Anxiety can spike when you're trying to stand your ground. Years of being dismissed can make speaking up feel like climbing a mountain. And finally, brushing off compliments. Feeling unworthy of praise is a hallmark of prolonged emotional manipulation. Accepting that you deserve recognition is a crucial step toward healing. Recognizing these habits is the first step toward healing. Support and self-awareness can help you rebuild your confidence and reclaim your sense of self. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, you're not alone in this journey.